Garmin Nuvi 2599LMT LCD screen replacement. To replace the screen on this device you only need a T5 screw driver and a Pry Toll. Start by removing the 4 screw from the back. Now with the Pry Tool you need to find a space between the screen and the frame and the body and gently pry it off. Once it's open you need to lift it a bit just to see the LCD screen connection and lift the white flap door to release the screen. And after you can slide the screen out. You can change the new screen, slide it back, slide it deep enough in the connector and close the lid. Start from the bottom and close the device. You can even test it to see if it's coming on. It's working. And after that you can put the screws back. It's a simple repair that you can do. If you need the screens, we will have a link in the description from where you can purchase a genuine screen complete with a frame, because this is the most easiest way to do it. If you have any other question, feel free to write us a message. Thanks for watching. Bye.